Good morning, this is Bill Masquez with MarineMax in Stuart, and this morning I'm gonna show you this brand new trade we got in, this 2017 Release 240 center console, powered with twin 150 Yamahas, only 280 hours on these motors. Come on up and I'll show you the rest. All right, back here you have the fuel filters for the motors, and over here you have nice seating area. 3 different seats. You have a Livewell underneath here, and then storage, cooler storage on both sides. When you are not using them, you have a very nice casting platform to work with. For a 24-footer, a dive door, which is really nice. It's held by magnets over there, and you can see it's a substantial dive door. It's not just a decoration. Here we have the center console equipped with a Simrad 9-inch and the Yamaha instrument with all the information for the motors, switching, hydraulic steering, and cable operated throttle controls. Very comfortable seat for 2 people. This is an exceptional bow area for a 24-footer. Look how long these boxes are, because you do have storage underneath, but also cushions all over the place, very comfortable area. Up in front of the center console you have another seating area with a cooler underneath it. Lastly, 2 more things. You have a large fish box in here. And also you have the Windlass hiding in here. Thank you for watching this brief walkthrough. I'll be pleased to show you the boat in person. Again, Bill Masquez, MarineMax in Stuart.